if you name a child the beneficiary of an IRA, what happens if you pass away is the child inherits the account, but children can't own beneficiary IRAs outright. So typically, if you have a guardian named, which is strongly encouraged, or sometimes it's called a custodian, um, they will control the account for the child until the age of majority. And the age of majority in this case is 21. Um, they will be considered an eligible designated beneficiary until the age of majority. What this means is they will make annual distributions from the inherited IRA, but they will be based on the child's life expectancy. So they are going to be relatively small distributions compared to what they would be if the child was an adult. When the child turns 21, the 10-year rule kicks in, and this means that, depending on what age you were, but most likely if you're talking about a minor child, this means that the account will have to be distributed within 10 years, fully distributed. Now, as far as I know, these rules are the same whether you're talking about a Roth or an IRA, but obviously if we're talking about an IRA, these distributions are taxable, and if you're talking about a Roth, the distributions are tax-free unless the 5-year rule for earnings is not met. If the 5-year rule for earnings is not met, then of course the contributions to the Roth IRA are tax-free, but the earnings on that Roth are not tax-free. IRAs are crazy. They're sneaky complicated, especially the inherited IRA distribution rules. So be careful out there.